The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the artillery of the Zapad group of forces has launched strikes at the manpower and military equipment from the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Granikovka, Timkovka of Kharkov region, and Novoselovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 30 Ukrainian personnel, 2 pickups and 1 D-20 howitzer have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, Army aviation and the artillery of the Center group of forces have neutralized the concentrations of manpower from the 80th and the 95th Airborne Assault Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Stelmachovka, Chervonaya Dibrova, Kuzmino of Lugansk People's Republic, and Torskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has lost up to 95 Ukrainian personnel, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 1 motor vehicle. In the Donetsk direction, the offensive operations conducted by the Yug group of forces have resulted in gaining more advantageous lines and positions, as well as neutralization of the enemy near Tonenkoye, Nelepovka and Severnoye of Donetsk People's Republic. 1 ordnance depot of the 55th Artillery Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Dobrovolye of Donetsk People's Republic. Over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 1 Msta-B howitzer, 1 fighting vehicle equipped with Uragan MLRS, and 1 French-manufactured Kesser self-propelled artillery system have been eliminated. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, Army aviation, artillery, and units from the Vostok group of forces have neutralized the manpower and military equipment from the 72nd Mechanized Brigade and the 35th Marine Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Ugledar of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as those from the 108th and the 124th Territorial Defense Brigades near Novoselka and Mirnoye of Donetsk People's Republic. The Ukrainian Armed Forces have lost over 60 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 2 armored personnel carriers, and 3 motor vehicles. In addition, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer, 2 D-30 howitzers, and 1 D-20 howitzer have been destroyed. 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Orekhov of Zaporozhye region. In the Kherson direction, 2 motorboats and up to 10 personnel of the Ukrainian Armed Forces landing forces have been eliminated near Lake Kruglik. Within the counter-battery warfare, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer and 3 Ukrainian ordnance depots have been destroyed near Gavrilovka and Antonovka of Kherson region. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Armed Forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 88 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 131 areas. Artillery ordnance manufacturing workshops have been destroyed near Shostka of Sumy region. Air defense facilities have shut down 9 unmanned aerial vehicles near Zolotaryovka, Kremenная, Novovodinoye, Chervonopopovka of Lugansk People's Republic, Storozhevoye, Petrovskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, and Chapaevka of Zaporozhye region. 3 rocket-propelled projectiles, launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS, have been intercepted. In total, 381 airplanes, 206 helicopters, 2,996 unmanned aerial vehicles, 402 air defense missile systems, 7,706 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 998 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,978 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,243 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.